Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your inbox layout in the Gmail app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the hamburger icon in the top left corner. And then you want to go down and select the settings gear button. Select your email address listed here. Where it says inbox type, click inside of this field here. And then you can select default inbox, important first, unread first, starred first, or priority inbox. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.